my friends. It's Ashton speaking here. And the same $7 system, done for you system, I literally made $81 on another income stream within the system. Income stream, you can sign up for free on step 2. Once you set up the funnel. And what's really cool about this is that you can make CPA commissions. That's cost per action. And for that, you can get like 3 to 5 times the sale. So if somebody purchased a $9 product, you can get $25 or even $35 commissions from that. And the best part is that you don't have to worry about refunds whatsoever. They just pay you for the action. If the person submits or even make a purchase, an action, that's it. And you get those commissions. Those commissions are yours for life. So before I continue, this is Ashton for the Super Trendy Money Maker channel, and I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, especially if you're new to this channel, because I'm about to give you a ton of value. The $7 done for you system I'm talking about is a one-page funnel 3.0. As you can see here, the newest update is a CPA Money Rotator Tier 1 traffic only. And it's under the VSL section for landing pages. And all you got to do is like copy the link and send it to free traffic or paid traffic. But I highly recommend that you use a squeeze page. And the squeeze page I use is from Leads Leap, which you can sign up for free. And you can promote up to 500 subscribers. But I recommend the pro version of Leads Leap. If depending on like the time frame that you get the pro version, which is a limited time, you can get it for like $20, I believe. But if you don't get it in that time frame, like within a day or so, it probably goes up to $27. But I highly recommend doing that, because what you'll get is the ability to like email to unlimited leads without any restriction that you get from, any limit that you get from GetResponse or Aweber, or even like a restriction on offers, certain offers that you can't promote on those other platforms. Leads Leap is very marketing friendly. So for CPA or any of these type of make money line offers, highly recommend that you use Leads Leap. And if you want to get access to Leads Leap, you can click the link, one of the links down below in the description of this video. And once you sign up, I'll show you the share code on my squeeze page I'm using, which is high converting, and be able to have a chance to make sales with this offer. And I'll also give you the squeeze page connected to the email swipes connected with the autoresponder of that platform. So you basically don't have to do it from scratch. You have everything done for you right there. So I just give you the share codes for the funnel, the share codes for the email swipes, and that's a cool thing about Leads Leap. So like you have everything that you can share, and it's be like done for you in a way that somebody, based on somebody work they already did. That makes sense. So with the CPA Money Rotator, I got this email recently, yesterday, and just like I stated at the beginning, you have the ability to get paid 3 to 5 times the commissions. So on a front end cost, like for example, for like a $9 program, instead of getting 50%, 70% of the $9 commissions, or so for the $9 sale, you basically can get like more than that. Actually, I got $25, which is really cool. And this is not based off of like off the sale of the $9 though. Like it's based off of like the action the person take, whether they submit their information or make a purchase. And that's all the vendor's looking for, is that the action the person takes, and they pay you based on that action. And what the cool thing about that is that you don't have to worry about any refunds. So if the person doesn't like the product for whatever reason, you're not affected by that, people who earn affiliate commissions for like the actual sale of the product. So it's all based on action. So it's like cost per action. And if once you reach $100 threshold on the AlphaSense network, the CPA network, you get a weekly pay with this, which I highly recommend. You can do it all within a one-page funnel 3.0. And the thing about this too is about this the CPA rotator is that they use the high converting offers, so you have a chance to make sales with this. And here's a link to Google Doc to give you the instructions. Basically what I told you already about like how to get the link and use it to promote to either free or paid traffic. That's pretty much what that explains. The step-by-step instructions. And let me just click this out. Okay. And it's also said the same thing in the Facebook group. So you know this is relatively new update that came through the system, and it's getting a lot of traction right now because you can get weekly pay from this. And normally for the one-page funnel under the affiliate side of things, you have to wait like a month. And after that, you get paid 2 times between the 1st of every month and the 15th. So that's like 2 weeks. But for the AlphaSense network place, you can get marketplace, which you can get about 1 week of for the payout, which is really cool. It's paid to Wise, and I think PayPal as well. So what I highly recommend for the one-page funnel 3.0, when you sign up on the $7 one time, because you want to get the most out of the system in addition to the AlphaSense network CPA marketplace. What I want you to do is definitely get a commission bump by signing up to the Profit Booster. You pay $47 one time, and you get 70% of the commissions from between the low to high ticket sales, and 10% the second tier commissions for lifetime. So anybody who makes a sale under you, anybody as your referral, you get 10% of that sale. I actually helped out 2 people get sales, and I got 10% of that their sales as a result of that, and which really adds up. So and I'm also thinking too, even though I mentioned that there's a traffic rotator, which I still have 6 spots left when you sign up. I'm also thinking about doing a CPA traffic rotator campaign as well. So once you sign up to the system, you follow the videos, and you go through the instruction for step 1, what you need to do to be able to promote the system. So you get approved within 24 hours, maybe even less than that. And if you didn't upgrade the Profit Booster yet, you can upgrade here, and you can activate the done for you traffic. All this stuff is completely optional. You only required to just pay the $7 funnel, and then you put your affiliate links right here in the add now, so the system can identify your link. And then step 2, you want to make sure that you sign up to AlphaSense network. Basically, same process as the first step, and then you put your affiliate ID right in the box and add now. Simple as that. So same thing with that. And then step 3 is basically going to the funnel page to get your links. And step 4 is just to run the traffic, which is Leads Empire or Traffic Zest, or even the done for you traffic. So there's like 3 traffic sources within the system that you can use, and you can connect your affiliate links to those traffic sources as well. So you want to get the most out of the system. Very simple system for the complete beginner or anybody experienced that hadn't made a sale or the sales are not consistent. I highly recommend this. And I just want to show you from the AlphaSense marketplace. You see my $81.50 here. I made $25 for the payouts, and it's from this $9 product. So you're showing you proof right here. So this looks confusing at first, but there's a step-by-step tutorial to show you what to do. It's very easy. It's not as hard hard as it looks. If you like what you see and you had a mega ton of value from this video and you want to see more videos like this in the future, I want you to do me a favor to help the algorithm of this channel. I want you to please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and click the link down below to get access to the one-page funnel so you can benefit from the CPA Rotator for the new update of this program. So without further ado, thanks for watching.